Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products for you and your family. Today, we're excited to talk about what we confidently call the best 55-inch trampoline for kids, the Happin upgraded Toddler Trampoline. Perfect for ages 1 to 6, this trampoline is designed to provide endless fun while keeping safety at the forefront. Imagine your little ones bouncing with joy, releasing their energy in a safe environment. The Happin trampoline stands out with its thoughtful design, featuring uniquely curved poles that create a safety gap between the enclosure net and the poles. This innovative feature significantly reduces collision risks, giving parents peace of mind while their children jump around. Safety is paramount, and Happin doesn't compromise. The trampoline comes equipped with thick foam padding to cushion the poles, ensuring that your child can play freely and safely. Plus, the safety enclosure net is sturdy and designed to prevent falls, making it ideal for indoor and outdoor use. Whether it's a sunny day or a chilly afternoon, your kids can enjoy jumping whenever they want. What's more, this trampoline encourages active play, which is vital for children's development. It provides an excellent outlet for energy while promoting physical activity in a fun way. The trampoline is also noise-free, allowing for hours of imaginative play without disturbing the peace of your home. Let's talk about convenience. The Happin trampoline is designed for easy assembly. You can have it set up and ready for playtime in no time. Its compact design also makes it easy to store when not in use, ensuring that it doesn't take up unnecessary space in your home. Now, we know how important it is to choose the right gift for your little ones, and this trampoline makes for an excellent choice. Birthdays, holidays, or just because, your kids will be thrilled to have their very own trampoline. It's a gift that promotes health, happiness, and fun, all in one package. Another great aspect of the Happin trampoline is its durability. Crafted with high-quality materials, including a sturdy steel frame, this trampoline is built to last. Happin is a US-based company committed to safety and quality, so you can be confident in your purchase. In summary, if you're looking for the best 55-inch trampoline for your kids, the Happin upgraded Toddler Trampoline is an outstanding choice. With its exceptional safety features, encouraging design, and convenient assembly, it checks all the boxes for fun and functionality. So, if you want to add some bounce to your children's playtime, this trampoline is worth considering. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product reviews. Let us know in the comments what other products you'd like us to explore next. Until next time, happy bouncing!